Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this government brags about how they're taking care of our seniors in this province. They brag about how they're increasing continuing care spaces. They tweet about how they're improving access and opening more assisted living beds. What they don't brag about are the seniors that can't stay in assisted living or don't belong there in the first place. What do you do with an 86-year-old senior who is in assisted living, who is lashing out at his spouse both verbally and physically because of dementia? What do you do with a senior with incontinence problems? What do you do with the senior who spends hours wandering the hall looking for their home, not realizing that they moved months ago? These are our beloved seniors that have fallen through the cracks. This government insists that seniors should be in assisted living and not long-term care. Proof is in their action. No additional long-term carers have been built in years. ASL homes charge $20 for a bath, $500 for incontinence management, and $7 to be escorted for their meals. Seniors are being nickel and dimed so this government can pinch pennies. If a senior belongs in long-term care, put them in long-term care. The government needs to be clear. Assisted living is not long-term care. What's going on doesn't save money for seniors or government. Hospital beds cost $250,000 per year, while long-term care beds cost about $60,000. Our ERs and long-term care backlog could be solved if we built the right beds. Give the seniors the right care at the right time and in the right place. This government needs to educate itself on the difference between assisted living and long-term care. This government needs to be honest to Albertans and do what's right for seniors. I want to thank the families and healthcare professionals that do an exceptional job of providing care for all of our seniors. Day in and day out, they make sure that our seniors, who have given so much to Alberta, receive the care in return.